Master raise your hand if you think you are an honest person. You are not honest person? I'm as evil as a human being can. Okay, so we have just two or three honest people here. Self-claim. Okay, good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I hate to break this news to you that according to research, an average person lies 1 to 2 times a day, which means 14 lies a week and 728 lies a year. Wow. Congratulations, you all are professional this side. And you know what is the fun part? Most of the lies are told to avoid hurting someone. We lie because we care. How sweet. Imagine a world where you couldn't lie at all. No, sorry, I didn't see your message. No, I'm fine, when your soul is clearly melting. When your boss asks, do you like working here? And you're like, no, I come here for salary and air conditioning. When your friend asks, how do I look in this dress? And you say, like an overconfident balloon. Friendship over. I tried to spend a day without lying. Let's dive in that day. One fine morning, my mother came to me and said, please try this new recipe of mine. I instantly said, it tests regrets and confusion. She didn't talk to me for a week. My colleague came to me and asked, do I explain things well? I said, if a confusion had a spokesperson, it would be you. Now I sit alone at lunch. That's the power of truth. It turns out truth is powerful but also dangerous if delivered without filter. But on the deeper level, I realized we lie because we are not evil. We want to survive in this world socially. Most of the lies are told to not hurt someone, to protect our feeling. Most of the time we lie because we care a lot. We don't want to hurt someone. There are lies of kindness, lies of fear, and lies of self-preservation. Now I want to ask, what's the most worst lie you ever told to your boss? Toastmaster Augustine. Pardon, please rephrase your question again. What is the worst lie you ever told to your boss? While I was not sick, I told him that I am in ICU. Most repetitive lie all the office workers say. And what about you, Toastmaster Rafe? Fortunately, unfortunately, I never had a boss. So I never had to lie. You never had a boss. Okay. So what's the worst? Yes. For clients, mostly when you miss a deadline, so I've had to imagine something happening. And there are many things that you can imagine: Pakistan load shedding, storm, internet down, XYZ, shut down, whatever. So there are a lot of excuses. You have to make. Okay. And what about you, Shazib? Did you ever lie to your boss? And what's the worst lie you ever told to your boss? I've never done it. And at the start of the meeting, you said that you were not an honest person. So this just proves that average person lies 1 to 2 times a day. So you have told 2 lies. Honest is something you are also honest. The other person say that you are honest. This is why I did not say that. That's why you did not vote, but you were 50-50 on that. Okay, what's the worst lie you ever told to your boss? My daddy was sick. Okay. Yes, he made sure that she didn't die because you wanted to avail more holidays. Okay. Okay. So this means It's not about lying. It's about honesty when it builds the bridges and when it burns them. And again, I would just come to you. What's the most repetitive lie we say? You, please.
Mariam, yes, Mariam.
Guest Mariam, please. I'm fine. That's the most repetitive lie. Great.
Wow.
Shadif, most repetitive lie you ever heard?
Most effective time is when you're having probably you go to someone's house and you have a bad experience with the food or something.
Yes, exactly. We like. Just like we ever say, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, the most repetitive lie. And the thing you said that I'm fine when your soul is clearly melting.
Like everything.
Yes, I didn't mind. I don't care what people say. This is the most repetitive lie. And what else? What else?
He said, grateful.
Okay, great. Okay, great. So it's about saying how to not lie, right? So I have wrote a poem with the help of Chat GPT, which I would like to recite over here. I told a lie, just one small thing. Said I can dance, but I can't swing. I said I had read the giant book. I only gave the cover a look. I told my father I brushed my teeth, but minty breath was not beneath. I lied I hadn't touched the pie, but whipped cream doesn't really lie. At first, it seems a harmless trick, but lies can grow fast and quick. So now I try the honest way. It saves me trouble every day. A truth may sting a bit, it's true, but lies, they always stick to you. So whenever you lie, you need to lie honestly because you have to take the responsibility of that. So over to the Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Augustine.